Hello everyone, I am Vamik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis & Company. So my presentation topic is kinds of contract under Indian Contract Act 1872. So the Indian Contract Act came into force on 1st September 1872. It extends to the whole of India except to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This act deals with the principle of the law of contract. It is based on the principles of English common law and the act passed by the British India. Contract Act originally contained 266 sections. Section 1 to 75, it deals with general principles of the law of contract. Section 76 to 126, it deals with contract relating to the sale of goods. Section 127 to 238 deals with the special contracts, indemnity, guarantee, bailment and pledge and agency. And Section 239 to 266, it deals with contract relating with the partnership. Indian Contract Act divided into two parts. Part 1 contains section 1 to 75, which deals with the general principles of the law of contract, and part 2 deals with the special kinds of contracts as follows: contract of indemnity and guarantee, contract of bailment and pledge, and contract of agency. First, offer. Section 2 of the Indian Contract Act defines the term offer when person signifies to another his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of the other to such an act or abstinence. He said is to make a proposal. Acceptance. Section 2 clause B of Indian Contract Act defines the term acceptance when the person to whom the proposal has been made signifies his assent thereto, the offer is said to be accepted. Third, promise. Section 2 clause B of the Indian Contract Act defines the term promise. When a proposal accepted, it becomes a promise. In other words, when an offer is accepted, it becomes a promise. Promiser and promisee. Section 2C defines this term. When the proposal is accepted, the person making the proposal is called as promiser and the person accepting the proposal is called a promisee. Consideration. Section 2 clause D of Indian Contract defines this term consideration. When at the desire of the promiser, a promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstains from doing or promises to do or abstain from doing something, such act or abstinence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. Agreement. Promise plus consideration is equal to agreement. Section 2E of the Indian Contract Act defines this term agreement. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other. Contract. Section 2 clause H of Contract Act defines this term contract and agreement which is enforceable by law is contract. Reciprocal promises. Section 2 clause of Indian Contract Act defines this term reciprocal promises. Promises which form the consideration or part of the consideration for each other are called reciprocal promises. Void agreement. Section 2 clause G of Indian Contract Act defines this term void agreement. An agreement not enforceable by law is called void. Voidable contract. Section 2 clause I of Indian Contract Act defines this term voidable contract. An agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto but not at the option of the other or others is a voidable contract. A valid contract means a contract that is a written or express agreement between the two parties to provide a product or services. In valid contract, all the parties are legally bound for a valid contract. The free consent of parties is must. Agreement, capacity, consideration and intention, these elements are must for a valid contract. Case laws. Mr. Dinesh B. Choksi vs. Rahul Vasudev Bhatt on 19 October 2012. Mr. M.K. Modi vs. U.K. Modi on 19 May 2010. Void contract. According to Section 2I of the Indian Contract Act, void contract means a contract that is unenforceable by law. Third, voidable contract. According to Section 2I of the Contract Act, voidable contract means a contract which is valid until avoided by either party. Illegal contract. An illegal contract means an agreement that is forbidden by law. Fifth, unenforceable contract. An unenforceable contract means a contract that is valid but due to some technical defect it becomes void and which cannot be enforced in court. If defects are moved, then the contract is enforceable. Void contract. Section 2J of the Indian Contract Act defines the term void contract. A contract that ceases to be enforceable becomes a void when it ceases to be enforceable. Case laws. New India Assurance Company vs. Nagara Thinama on 5 August 2003. So this is all about kinds of Indian Contract Act 1872. So if you have any question related to this, please mention in the comment box, and please like this video and share this video and subscribe the Lexis & Company Law Firm channel. Thank you and have a nice day.